My name is Daniel Rothfuss. I'm the head of product development and application engineering for Henkel's Loctite 3D printing business. We at Loctite 3D printing, we are in the additive manufacturing since 2016, 2017. And in the meantime, we have established a broad portfolio of highly engineered and high performance materials for the DLP space, which means for UV curing printing technologies to enable our customers unlocking new application in the field of additive manufacturing. To really leverage the full potential of sustainability, you have to design for sustainability and implement this into your product. And this is where we as Henkel Loctite 3D printing enable and support our customers. So what does this mean, design for sustainability? You can break this down to three essential points. The first one is reduce your consumption. The second one is increase the duration of the parts or the usage of your parts. And the third one is to ensure that the products that you bring to market contribute to a sustainable environment. So considering the first point, reduce of consumption, I guess most here, or almost everyone here, hopefully is aware of the benefits of additive manufacturing, like less waste, only produce the parts that you need, lightweight construction. And especially when we think about reduce the waste you're going to create for parts production, here we as Henkel support our customers and partners by providing them our data about validated workflows. This means we in the application engineering team validate our materials in a broad range of different printers, and we share this information and the data with our customers so they can limit their trial and error phase and really speed up their production cycles. And this is really essential to reduce the consumption. The second point is about increase the duration of usage. And here we spend an incredible amount of time really to develop and bring to market durable materials. And in addition to that, we also created a lot of data which is accessible for our customers in our technical data sheets, where we prove and provide information about the durability of our materials, like resistance to chemicals, exposure to UV light, and many, many more. And here our customers are enabled to use this data and use this information to design parts which are really durable and long-lasting. And the third part is ensure that the products contribute to a sustainable environment or for environmental safe usage. And how do we do that? First of all products that you can see here at our booth, we ensure that they are compliant to all the regional and country-specific regulations where we sell our products to. And also they are safe to use when following the information as shared in our safety data sheet. A second topic here when we talk about environmental safe usage is the raw material we are putting into our resins. And here, in addition, we're continuously screening the market. We're also in close contact with our raw material suppliers to identify more sustainable and more environmental friendly raw materials. And one example here, and it's very present at the moment at Formnext this year, is a topic about TPO, which is a photo initiator that was reclassified in the European Union during this year. Taking this as an example, we were already very proactive and removed this specific raw material already many years ago, and all products we brought to market since 2022, since more than 2 years now, were already TPO free. And taking all of these different factors into consideration, or the sum of these factors, will really enable our customers to unlock and create more sustainable solutions and products. And just as one example, I can showcase this nice part here, which we developed, or where we supported our partner Nokia, which is used now for repair solutions for some of their electronic components. So in the past, and without this material, they were not able to repair these parts, meaning they had to produce a lot of scrap by the end of the day. And with this solution, they can now repair instead of throwing away electronic components. And another nice use case is our new material for eyewear. Because what we have seen here, and also we offer, for example, a life cycle analysis for our materials, where we provide data to our customers about CO2 equivalent. For using this material, our customers use less energy, and by this for sure can also decrease their amount of CO2 during production. A good example is here to polish this material. You need around about a factor 10 less time compared to traditional acetate, which is used in eyewear industry. And taking all of this, as mentioned before, the sum of this really, we're helping enabling our customers for more sustainable future and products. For us, collaboration is very important because collaboration also means innovation. Because no company can tackle all of these very important questions we are facing for the future on their own. So we need to team up and create partnerships on mutual trust. And here we can share information. We can also share like what are potential bottlenecks, but also how we, and this is even more important, how we can overcome these hurdles and bottlenecks. And as mentioned before, one key success here is really an open and transparent communication with our raw material suppliers. And they know us in the meantime because we are really challenging them, because there are great materials out there, but we also are aware of their limitation in terms of environmental impact. So we could create great material, but we always want to ensure that they're also safe to use and have only limited impact to our environment. And here we're always challenging them. It's like, okay, that's a nice material, but maybe you have something more in your back pocket, especially when we talk about, okay, how can we reduce the CO2 footprint? Are there more bio-based materials that we can implement into future developments? This is really crucial for us. Being part of an organization like this adds a lot of value to us. Because here this offers a platform for sharing information, insights, and really discuss and brainstorm about what could be the next step here to bring the additive manufacturing industry one step further to reaching all of these very challenging goals we all have together. Enable us to create this forum for open exchange, but also enable us to question ourselves if we're always doing the right thing. I perceive additive manufacturing as one part of the bigger picture, because really to ensure a more environmental friendly society, if we want to call it like this way, we have to take this from all different angles. And we, from additive manufacturing, we are part of this society. So it's also our responsibility to drive this forward. And this could be maybe tiny steps, but it's important that we all share the same mindset that sustainability is important, because it's about the future of our planet, but it's also to become more aware of the limited resources we have. And the more allies we find in driving this forward, the better it is.
We want to share a huge thank you with AMGTA and its members for taking part in these conversations. You can watch the series at mansus.co.